Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Mi Earphones Basic with microphone ultra deep bass wired earphones. So now let's get into opening this box up. So there's not quite a lot in the box itself. All you have is the earphones, as you can see on the top, which we're going to extract right now. There you go. We're going to keep it aside. And you also have extra silicone buds for the earphones themselves. So let's cut this off. It says on the box, innovation for everyone with ultra deep bass, balanced sound, and aluminum sound chamber, and lightweight. So these are the things we should look forward to when we're going to be using these earphones. On the side, we don't have a lot of information. It is just the name of the earphones themselves. And at the back, you just have some information about the earphones manufacturer, their address and their contact, and things like that. So let's set the box aside and look at the earphones themselves. So the very first thing you notice is the earbuds, which do have an aluminum exterior, which makes it feel extremely premium. They have a nice tint of shine on them and a very nice premium feel to them in the hand. And they're also quite compact and ergonomic from the looks of it, since they actually have an angled nozzle. So this 45-degree angle actually helps you get a better fit in your ear. If it was just straight, it would be a little loose fit. The angle actually makes the earphones fit inside your ear in a more comfortable manner. So apart from that, we also have a little inline control and mic right here. It's a circular cylindrical shaped module which has one single button, which is a multifunction button. We're guessing you can pause and play music with this. You can also answer or decline phone calls, and you can also use the mic on this to take phone calls, which is great. The wires, however, are not flat wires, so they'll be pretty prone to tangling in your pocket or your bag if that's where you store your earphones. Now let's get into looking at the size of the wire, which is something a lot of us want to know. So as you can see, this is a massive wire. It's probably not fitting in the frame itself right now. It's massive, so even if you had your phone inside your pocket, the earphones wouldn't tug at your ears because the wires are too short. You can also see at this end we have the 3.5 mm jack, the audio jack. However, it is at a 90-degree angle. So for those of you who love mobile gaming out there, this could be a very useful feature, since it actually sits in a manner where when you insert it into your phone, it's not difficult to hold. That's a very big plus for these pair of earphones. So other than that, there's not much really to the earphones. They're quite standard, but they also look pretty well built, but they don't have magnetic housings here for them to join together. But that's about it for the Mi Earphones Basic. They are indeed a basic pair of wired earphones. Thank you so much for watching this overview.